Mike, come! Mike, go! Mike, go! You're not messing them up, Court.
I'm leaving. Guys, you need the penalty. Settle down. Settle down. Don't get a penalty over there, yellow, gold, mustard.
Hey, I don't want to see nobody biting anybody either.
So Ragnarok's not playing right now.
That's right. No fear of biting, no Ragnarok team.
Oh,
Probably no.
There's a major headbutt in Jersey.
Probably no. Tight masses.
Really?
Tight masses?
Jersey, the guy who got it, a double major, 8-minute penalty. It doesn't even exist.
We had a major biting today.
Was it supposed to be a 4-minute major? And he gets misconduct, and later on you can decide on the severity. Is it a match penalty? Is it a misconduct?
We had a major biting that day.
Hey, stop working your trick.
That was a minor. We probably screwed that up. We probably should have been.
Eddie Sugar was down. He just needed a little something.
Please tell me Tony was doing the score clock.
No.
Oh, listen.
Tony would have freaked out.
I couldn't imagine his reaction.
The refs came up to me and go, all right, how do we handle this one?
Yeah, but the dude put his hand in his mouth. I mean,
Okay.
Yeah, he was. According to Eddie, he was actively pulling on his
Yeah, but
jaw.
Eddie also said that he didn't do it.
Well,
There's
he
a
definitely
bruise on
did
the
it.
guy's finger.
He definitely did it.
Yeah, right, exactly. So
But
credibility shot at him.
The dude was pulling his jaw.
I would say a minor is reasonable because of that.
Yes.
You know what I mean? Like,
Yeah, I agree.
It's why we didn't go major. But also, like, you could have been going after a tackle. No one saw it, right?
Yeah, right. No one saw exactly what all
Because of that,
happened.
you couldn't go major. That's why we did a minor.
No, that makes sense.
I thought it was reasonable.
He just left hanging. I see it.
Are we doing a hockey balls?
Good. We barely lost any.
Yeah, I didn't think so. There's no.
84.
He only scores when I'm here.
Yay! Cougars have such a good logo. I don't know why they put their logo on the black jersey.
Yeah, I know.
Just put the M on it, you know?
Bad.
It's two. It's two balls.
Get that. Corey, go get that.
They got it. They're trying to back.
Kevin,
Go
go.
take that scaffolding
Kevin,
off.
go.
You don't like it up there, Todd?
Up here?
Are you afraid of heights?
No, I don't care about the heights. The wind.
The wind was getting you.
He was bored over there want to talk to us, so he had to come over and talk to us.
I was over there shaking with the wind.
Yeah, I get it. It's crazy how much cooler it is out there.
Head up.
And now that there's like 15 people in here, it's actually warm.
You got a hoodie on. I'm cold.
I know, I wish I had brought my pants.
Yeah, I just
Not wearing any pants right now.
Well, I'm wearing shorts. I
One
meant
game.
I use pants like put the roof on my shirt.
We were so good. That's why I feel
That's why he wanted to be booger.
Well, because he ref Manny's been there for all 8 years. He ref 7. I gave him a break and paid him for the break because now you're still around.
One on the door.
I got shanked. I didn't pay him.
Threw him a bug.
Well, he's throwing me one. That's what I mean. 7 games is a lot.
Get Hans out here.
We should start a Heinz team.
Where's Hines?
Where's
I don't see
Heinz?
red helmet.
He's the bench
I
warmer.
don't see red helmet.
What do you want Heinz?
He hasn't
What do you want
been on.
Heinz?
He hasn't been on the rink at all yet.
That's what I'm telling you, he's a bench warmer.
That's what he told me. He said he might not even come to the game today.
He's there.
No, and I seen him this
Oh, yeah.
Sunday morning game.
He scored for us. That's all that matters.
Hines scored.
Yeah, Heinz scored.
Yeah, we won the game.
It took a power play where they're just in his zone and not moving.
We won the game.
Come on, get under them sticks. Step down there, 11.
On, hey.
I was mad we scored that. That team scored that goal with 19 seconds left.
I gotta put the standings up for that still.
I made a nice save too.
feel about Pains?
Ty loves it.
I just had it on the way here. I love it.
We ordered a pizza.
Yeah, we got a pizza.
You and your pizza, Sunday pizza.
Hey, that's all.
I have pizza waiting for me. I wasn't gonna stop. I've been waiting. Actually, I didn't eat all day. I was waiting for the. Listen, Italian Village is sealing.
Oh, it's awesome. That is awesome pizza. Italian Village Pizza.
Where's that at?
I'm not even a fan of the pizza, but Sicilian was incredible.
Where's that at?
They're all over the place. There's one in McMurray. There's one in Washington, PA.
Doughboy Sicilians are the best.
Never had one.
Never had one. You gotta bring us one.
I will. Like
Sunday.
they're not open on Sundays.
You can get the keys and go in and make one.
I have the keys.
Then we take one.
I'm a manager. I have the keys. No.
It must be that good.
They're so busy. They're so busy all during the week.
They Kuda's called 4 places around here. Only one was open.
I mean, it's McKeesport.
It wasn't bad.
No, it wasn't bad at all.
Where'd you get it?
Mama Pacino.
Mama Pequenos.
After watching the women in Tier 3, and then I get over there, Aces and Renegades are playing like this. Great.
My first game was on midnight. Also, used to do these games for Alabama. I was going back and forth.
I can look at that phone, you got that updated. Last night I was doing like 5 photos.
So I put all. I mainly did video for that weekend, which was definitely helpful video, but I uploaded every picture. I can check this in a second. I'm sure it's still
No,
there.
that's okay. I don't know if.
I know Sammy did a lot of photos. I don't know.
I don't want to rely on her for the photos, so I'll have to get on Stride. But I don't know if Stride knew you were doing video.
He told me to do video.
Oh, okay. When I'm on him, I'm not doing photos. What do I call him? Like, dude, Terry's photos.
Terry's coming from.
I seen no red helmet. I thought it was Hanji for a second.
Nah,
It's Carl.
Carl. Heinz is in much better shape.
Yeah, no, unfortunately, since I didn't mainly, I don't have too much in the game. But for like the championship, because I knew Declan was videoing the whole time, I didn't.
Okay, I'll see that folder.
He has not been out at all.
Rose City House. They're the only ones that ask. Usually goes to first, you know. We
We want Heinz. We want Heinz.
Rose City House.
He's over there.
I have a lot of Rose City.
In there, in the album.
Every picture I have is in that.
They have so many people. That's the
Oh,
problem.
a lot of my boys play for Paladins. My last year freshman, I played with when they were missed it. A lot of ours with us.
Looks like he's getting closer to the door.
He's getting there. He's getting there. Line 5's coming out soon.
He's getting close to the door.
We all video.
Oh, you're alright. You're alright.
Who, any good games on last week?
The last game, two of the worst teams, but Bullet Club and Mafia, 7-6 in overtime.
8-7.
8-7 in overtime.
Get it right.
Bullet Club with the win.
Did they?
Yeah. Tied it up with 1 second on the clock.
No, I don't like point one.
I think it was
Point one, yeah, point one.
There wasn't.
Yeah. It literally went in.
Went in and then the horn blew.
Mike and Quinn were probably proud, especially Auburn was probably proud of him.
They were getting yelled at.
It was a good game.
The Bullet Club wasn't yelling at him yet.
Well, obviously they're not going to.
Caruso was mad at me over there because no one yelled when I was refereeing. He was like, this is not fair.
I say, Tom.
Back half of Aces running games actually put on NBHL live.
Was that you streaming? I caught the end of that one.
Great.
As advertised, but
We knew it would be. That'll probably be the game of the week.
yeah.
Felsing, man. That dude was
Renegades
so
ended up winning, right? 4-3.
Yeah, you know, Felsing in overtime.
Ty's favorite
I'm
player.
excited to see.
He's entertaining to watch.
I'm excited to watch him.
I'll go get my laptop and show you a clip of what he did against the Warriors.
Oh, really?
Show me that
You
one.
didn't see it?
No, it was on the stream, right?
Our power play was 9 for 11. Most of the reason we were 9 for 11 was because of Sabota or Felsen. It's just their IQ. You know what I mean? The way they put balls in wheelhouses.
So what
C
they,
plays 3 ahead.
but they had a shootout and a gold medal game for winning that game.
Just like Masters.
That's
in
like Masters. That's what
2023.
I said. Masters when I was there. Yep.
You'd think everyone would learn from those mistakes, though, right?
You can't do a fucking school game.
BJ, Corey Wilson's get called back.
Oh, I heard about that.
They're
He
not.
lost the ball.
BJ, let's
He
let
lost
it show
the
too.
ball, he
Coin
stopped
toss.
his feet, leaned back to grab it, finished.
Oh, Bobby, look who's out there.
I know, hi.
They called it a goal at first, and then they got together, and then they waved it off.
I didn't know that.
What did they roll on that video? Mike Henry, where he came back and just said,
He's out there.
where he got the poke check.
Good pass.
On Mike Henry.
Give it
I think was the last
17.
NBHL games. Because they posted a video like what's the call, bull or no bull. I don't know what they actually ended up doing.
2 Hans.
Oh, give it 17. Come on.
Show you what Felsen did after the period that
Yeah, you were telling me about that when you called me about that. He's so good.
defense. And he did it the Roman running back.
You know, I didn't get to do any of that because I was on the ordering for that one.
How's it early?
Yeah. I didn't get to do as many of the big ones. We got covered on the game.
Ty's your favorite player, huh?
Yeah.
I like Ty more and more every day. He's becoming my favorite system. Right now, Connor's one.
Man, I'm not the favorite anywhere.
Today. Where is he?
Chuck,
He's in the car sleeping.
Chuck, you're my favorite.
Yeah, he's just climbing up behind him.
Everybody at Sunday morning hockey always gets on him and me and says Connor's the best system.
Well, we know it's not you. That's for sure. We know it's not you.
Chuck, you're my favorite.
Thank you, BJ.
He just does one of those.
BJ.
That's right.
BJ. Favorite.
I don't leave my starters rule. They already lost it after today.
That was not on you.
I thought he was going to try to score a goal.
I can't. I scored a goal. I scored a goal on the Sunday morning.
Anybody's tough as fucking stick.
No, fit. Don't go fit.
My shooting ability for you to go.
Let's try up.
If you're not going to ball, that's what Sabota was. He swore stronger helmet. He swore. That's so. When you wanted to wear USA, but that's what I'm saying. Maybe he was going to NHL.
I thought he was our 8th best forward.
Looks like number 10. Yeah,
That's
10
not
on
going to
10.
get him to some tier 1 games.
10 and 10.
He knows guys. I used to play, but we grew up playing
10.
Sabota, Bruno, Bigano, 18, all of them.
10 on the
We all grew up playing at Murray's.
We think Brandon's both probably our 8th or 9th best forward.
Huh?
8th or 9th best forward.
8th or 9th.
This stick.
Just because he's not used to playing.
Right, yeah, I thought he was finding his groove until he hurt his hamstring.
Huh?
I thought he was starting to find his groove with Jordo. When he was also, he didn't feel like he had to be the man anymore. He knew Jordo was the man. He lead on the power play though.
He's all right.
No, the one he first said about Lanny missing a call and Drew, I was like, he'd probably stick it, snap the stick. Yeah. Sean.
Yeah, Nate.
That's what it is.
There you go, get back there. Yep, yeah, I know. They look fucked, don't they? The S's look like fives. Numbers.
Let's go. Thanks, homie.
11, 17. You got it. You got it. Go ahead. Quit. Fucking dangle it. Move the ball.
Here we go. Go.
I think you should keep playing up now. I think you should keep playing up.
Dump it and go get it. Don't fucking lose it.
I give my shot.
Sorry, Joel. Shake it off. Good shot.
Hey, good luck, J-Hop.
Still doing that?
There's no crying at me.
Steady, steady. Back up. Back up.
Holy shit. He even he fell. It's the deck.
This ain't never Marysville deck tile. Marysville, they got the same ones now. I just look at all the links they got now.
Pick or doss for me.
NBHL is on. They got rid of the blue jerseys in travel. They got a new manager, so it's cool.
Andy, first two is yeah.
No go travel.
Here we go. No, just gotta be the first one.
Who's the defense?
Yeah, right.
Was keeping it alive, man. Another one?
38 more of that. We might kill it all.
Yeah, no, I feel like each
Clock! Doing great, Clock. Oh, that was only like...
Keep going, Nate. Keep going, Nate.
Holy shit.
Boy.
Boy! He was over the line.
Yeah.
I wish he did that. Was he good?
Did they move the net to the corner? That's where Jayhawk was shooting it, man. Thought they moved it to the corner.
He thought it was a soccer net, that's why.
Really?
See if it plays out fun.
Go!
Get one if you need it.
Boom, boom, boom.
Here's the goal I was talking about. Here's the goal I was talking about. Right? The foul thing's right here. That's up. Goal stick. Makes the play with the ball right here. Watch it calls for the line. See right here, he just threw his hand up, run from the line change, and then sees his man take off down, and he throws it back right there. And bang on there.
That's crazy.
You got beer.
Oh, so travel he plays for Bills, but two he plays for this team. He's not bad. I don't know. I just know that he does play.
He's trying to get us on court. We're not even near him.
They touch us, they play. They don't.
We still got like 2 hours before we're even home.
That's what's probably.
What noise you talking about? The bass, the boom, boom, boom.
No, there was something like,
What?
We got the gangsters at that party, right? About to be a shooting up in there. About to be someone shot up in there.
Joe Biden's. They got an electric car over there. Joe Biden's electric.
Someone lost their shoe. Someone's shoes in the
What?
I called Riley. His shoes. High stick. High stick. Get the shoe.
Can we get the game film on that one? Holy shit. That was the softest penalty called in NBHL existence.
Ooh, that almost went. Yo. Brady almost had it.
Oh, put your stick down.
I will. Next time.
Watch it out.
Come on, BJ, why should you
We got 4 forwards or 3 forwards out. No,
DJ, go.
just hold it, Bray. There you go. Well, that changed over and now they got country western on.
They don't know what they want to listen to.
Set it up. Come on. Put it up. Bring it in the middle. Take it up. Keep that, Nate. Go good. Even.
Deep, deep. Yeah. Forward. Forward.
He was solid Kadarius. That was.
Take one more on defense. Well, I'm just saying. Because that shouldn't come, they shouldn't hurry us up.
Joe, and I sent you. I get it, you know, you look one way, it comes the other. That'd be nice.
I see a ball.
Heads up.
That was like in 3D right at the camera.
Brad.
I got multiple ones. That's the game ball.
Fuck that game ball.
Ah, shit. I got a flat tire.
Yeah, get on it! Here! This is fucking good.
Put it in! Good track!
Right out!
Oh, come on. Same thing.
It's a barn burner.
No, wait. Last game.
Come on, Mark, wake up! Marky, wake up, bud!
Oh, shit. Hey, go get him. Shit.
I gotta order new gear.
Hines would have scored. So far, yeah. 2 periods, almost the end of the second. We only had 1 shift. Hey. What is it?
I don't know what I'm going to do. I don't know.
They just did that to Bobby next year. No, Bob Bay. Good. Not Bubblicious, he said.
Yeah, not Bubblicious. Bubblicious.
Bubblicious.
Dude, he's destroying our team.
That doesn't happen.
They're getting New Jersey, so I passed
Let me see it.
The cats are eating from the inside.
Yeah.
What? Yeah. Really?
Oh, my shot's still over.
That was
Am I not wrong there, Bobby? I made it better. I made it better.
We're gonna drop back here. Chad, come back, Chad, come back.
We still didn't make it.
Chad, stay right there. One more, Chad. All right, there you go, Chad. Hey, work your changes! Time, Chad, time! Gotta come down, Chad! What do you got next?
Put it in the mat.
That was the game winner. No, that tied us. Yeah. I put us ahead by 1. I put us ahead and then they scored again. And they tied it. That's what sent it over.
Because I'm going to come back and fill in too.
Oh, Hines was in on it.
No, Hines might have gone assist for that.
No, he only plays 2 shifts.
I'm giving it to him no matter what.
Give the guy, give the poor guy.
in his Vegas Golden Knights
He called you.
17 on it?
I'm just saying, 17 getting assist.
Oh my God! Don't give him a point.
Yeah, dude.
Yeah!
He only played 2 shifts so far. Give the guy a point.
No points for
Yeah.
17.
Poor guy played 2 shifts.
And he's still cheating on the face.
He cheats to win, yo.
Hell yeah!
You ain't cheating, you ain't trying.
You see his TikTok?
He had like one patty dude at the
Oh, again, almost right there.
He's like Bryce.
Why is his assist?
Dude, I was sharp because in the conference game shows for women's, it was Alabama. So I was like, Bryce, I'm confident.
Hines!
Tell me you go for
He had the old man's bag.
because of injuries. Open again.
Hines! Come on, Sean! A little bit. There is no muting. Can I mute you?
You mean Celtic?
No, unfortunately not.
I think by the time.
Did you?
I think by the time I'm a junior, senior, it's gonna be nasty because you can go from the OHL to the
Yeah, but a lot of those
Okay.
So fucking
Yeah, I'm not gonna lie. I feel bad. These last 2 NBHL games, whoever does the video and put it on YouTube, I feel so bad. I do.
I apologize for everything I've said.
Yeah, me too.
Hey, you're a sinner.
I apologize in advance.
God told me I could say it.
Hit the net! I don't have a chance for Penn State.
God told me I could say it.
I can make option 1 and 2 and then
I hope he's hilarious. I gotta, he's hilarious.
Hey, we're gonna run them, and then you're gonna run with
Goes around.
That statement true or false? The one that I was typing.
Yes.
Oh, you good?
Gavin dominated. I don't know so much about the rest of them.
Gavin, go. You probably go.
Gavin's been putting in some goals lately.
but I would hope he would dominate. They should have won. I don't know
It's sad that they lost.
how. It is. It really is.
I'm very happy for Bullet Club because they come from Latrobe to play. But damn.
That's why I'm saying if we lose.
First shot, you're escape. First shot,
Get ready.
He was Central's captain.
We should be. And Jayhawk.
Jayhawk.
Yeah, wise guys.
And Gino.
Come on.
Take it back, Bobby.
Go, Eugene! Come on.
Josh stopped responding after I said that.
What's his name going? Colin. Oh, yeah, I don't know. Is he really? Yeah, that's why he doesn't play ice hockey competitively. Focus on the cross. At least had fun just putting
Andy, yours. Andy, still hit him. Is it Andy? Good play, Andy. Andy, win it. One hard.
I mean, the national baseball is Gertis. Yeah. Like, apparently, the Gertis is apparently he's doing better at baseball.
3-4. Shut up.
Sure. All right, DJ.
Dump in the corner. CW17.
I need to here so I can get him drinking water,
Let's go. Go, Ian.
They beat that team so bad. That was the only shot I got from because
Mid shot. And the one of me bowling that dude there.
he actually faced one shot. It was the first shot of the game.
Go.
What's his name?
Now, you gotta have that. That was yours. Go, Bob, Mark.
AP did it. Pat, remember when AP did it to Aiden May and then he stopped the whole game?
JJ.
Also,
Easy.
I said, they'll play our team first.
Yeah.
Let's swap 17, please.
I'll play going. You're not.
Hey, there's an onside. He gets an assist. Another shift.
He's got what? A third of the shit John has and has 4 points.
That's obviously when I first came out of this game. They were just
On you.
beast.
Those two should. Your team should.
Walk the dog.
Oh, you got numbers.
That Harris team Thursday.
Hit that Mustang.
Hey, what are you doing, man? That's fucking Jada's car.
We barely played well all season. I mean, it's probably because we just we're absolute degenerates during the season. It was like we'd go play a game.
Wake up, Mike.
Hey, Nate.
It'd just be
You're
immediately-
It's past his bedtime.
Someone's house. Not even. Just like a random party. Yeah, man. We found shit to do in New Jersey.
There's no way. You gotta get to that. There's no way.
That stupid red helmet.
You tell him, Jay-Hawk.
It's like, it's bad when we find parties here.
I would have got to that.
Can
I
we
know.
change?
30 years ago.
I could get.
Hines wasn't even getting to that in the 60s.
New Jersey's not good.
I wish it was.
Everyone in the city goes out.
How much playing time?
As I said, he wasn't even doing that in the
Walk the dog.
60s.
Woo, look at that.
I want one of those white goalies.
Goddamn guy's fucking 6'5".
Dude, I want the micro ones. They're super big. I'm not spending So I'm gonna take it up. So I'm buying it. And about $100. They got
Here we go. You left around me. Shut up. I talked to Jersey yesterday, no?
Where'd you go? One-on-one.
My arm was never around him. It was on his back.
From his angle, it looked like it. I could tell you didn't come like this, but he couldn't.
Bullshit. Give it to him.
Somebody else's arm in there, then it was a little.
Scout game.
Hit him. Good. Roll with Chad and Patrick.
Oh my God. Walk in.
Good. Is it Mills? Over there. Run.
Watch behind. That guy.
Back. Thank you. Here we go. Yeah, might as well. Keep people fresh. Play the game.
I was like, oh, defense changed too.
Chad, you were supposed to go.
I thought it was me.
It is supposed to be you, X and Patrick. X and Patrick? Oh, okay. Yeah, so then you're supposed to go. Go, just come.
And then me and you were just gonna go.
Me, you, and Hines.
Here we go.
You scored one, didn't you?
I'll see you later.
Ho! Patrick, you're in! We're short! Okay, then just figure it out. Leave him alone. Center, right? All right, boy, what are you doing?
Never had my arm around him. I had it on his back. Your angle probably looked like I was hugging him.
Yeah, it looked like then you had your. I thought you had to stick around for a little bit and then I'll call.
Yeah, I was just like this.
What you just said to me, you called my name.
I've never had a garage beer. I'm just talking about beer in the garage.
Hey, walk the dog.
Oh yeah, I got it.
It's such a great idea. I go, well, it's been up here. It's not high enough.
Wait, we're gonna make a change. Wholesale. All because Bobby's out there walking.
I buried that. Oh, I see one. You were saying hockey rule. It's like, you know, the other ones I have, like PT ones are either later or I just miss them.
PT always does.
Oh, yeah. And there was something yesterday.
That's it, Julian.
It's just tough because you like know one person and they either peel or it's just like you just stick with them the whole time. Because like you got your boys with like whose party it is, but like they're saying hi to everyone. You know what I mean?
That's why I hate it. Get me a little running.
It's like I can't talk to my boy because I'm not going to be a dick and he's trying to like say hi.
Yeah, man. I'm sorry.
Trust the coach, Julian.
Yeah, remember? So powerful, so bad. He didn't say that. I was
I was like 16 and I was like 19-year-old host. I was never around. Was I even? 16?
Yeah, because remember you couldn't find me when I left? And you left? Yeah, I was no.
Wait, when was that? 23?
22. I graduated.
I was 15. Cause yeah, that was the summer I was.
So we were all 17, 18.
Yeah, wow.
No. No, I just remember Pat texting me. Yeah, I would have said bye.
Here we go.
Wait, what? I remember you texting me. I would have said bye, but I
I stayed late and it was like 10:50.
yeah, no.
And I couldn't drive at the time. So my dad was like,
Jay, shoot it!
He was like, let's go. And I was like,